My name is John Yurei, and today we step into an amazing Roman Catholic cathedral built with cane stone from the year 1856. There's just something mind-blowing about exploring these places, words that can't be explained, a strange phenomenon. If you want to support me on these travels, you can now support me on my Patreon or purchase my clothing brand, as well as get 15% off your Christmas gift using the code Christmas15 on Yurei.shop. The first time, I couldn't even talk. My voice, my words, I was speechless. And I still am. Like, every time I come here for the first time, my eyes just open up on this place. It's just, I just don't have actual words to say, because a place like this, it's mind-blowing. It just doesn't make sense. Like, it's so artistic that I just can't bring words out, like, right now. It's hard to describe it. It's a different feeling of its own, but it's a great feeling. It's a feeling that I just can't even express. I just have to let the video, the feel of everything, just video, the atmospheric effect to describe the feeling I get through this place. This is just one of the cases that the camera does not best describe the quality of this place. It's unfortunate, as the time continues forward, this place sees worser days. From a building built from the 1800s, it's still in prime shape. Can you believe that? This place has a deeper connection to me, as it was a part of one of the first explorers I've ever done during the start of my exploration days, which is why this video is portrayed much more different. So the reason why I made this video is because I wanted to express something. So going back in the time, 2015, 14, somewhere between there, I started exploring, and one of the few places I went to was this abandoned Gothic cathedral. And like, it really, like, it was one of the most phenomenal places I've ever been to. Really piqued my interest, and it was just like, it was like the game changer for like me having that self-expression inside like these abandoned churches, these cathedrals. It's just something, it's like something I could connect to, and it's crazy because it's like, that place has like been a part of me since 2015. Like, considering the fact that that was the first time I actually ever went to explore that place. It's amazing, it was awesome, it's just mind-blowing that I actually went there for the second time, like much later on, checked it out. I think I was with Exploring with Danny, and it was just such a crazy place. And it's just like, every time you walk into that cathedral, you have like this different feel, like you're away from everything. You really feel like it, because that place is so well built, you just don't hear anything on the outside. Everything on the outside is blocked off. You don't hear anything, you're just chilling. And it's almost like you're in your own world. It's amazing. And it's cool that we were able to experience that place for what it is during this like peak of its time. That's before anyone knew about it. When I went there now, it was just like, I went there, a lot of the place wasn't the same. A lot of things were cleaned out. And a lot, like, I think even the stools, like the chairs were just taken out, as well as a lot of the windows were broken. It was really unfortunate, as well as it was just like, I wanted to vlog it, I wanted to document it, but it was like, I've already documented this before. So why don't I try something different? Why don't I actually let you guys know what my perspective was on this place? And that is why we actually went into this place. We did this whole different video with the voiceovers and me just talking about it, because I want to give you guys a different perspective on like creative content. So it's just something that I thought about doing. I'm not sure if I want to try this again, but I just hope you guys generally enjoyed this video. It's just something I wanted to just bring you guys a perspective about. So really cool. I really enjoyed it, and I'm just so glad that we were actually able to go back there. So don't forget to subscribe to Steve. Don't forget to subscribe to Seth. Cool guys, great people, and it was awesome because this was their first time experience this cathedral for what it is. And it's cool. Like, I'm like that guy that introduces everyone. It's like, yeah, yo, Danny, check this out too. And it all started off with us exploring way back in the day and just finding this church way before. So it's just like, wow, what an amazing feeling. But yes, guys, I am also having a sale on my website at the Yurei.shop. If you guys are looking to shop the brand, has like a picture like this. This is like one of the clothing that we're going to be having a sale on, as well as the samurai shirt. So that's just something I want to put into perspective. If you guys are interested, there's going to be like, I think 15% off of all purchases. So definitely check that out, guys. And if you're willing to support me on Patreon, I love exploring, I love traveling, I love making this type of content. But nowadays things got a lot harder. It's hard to keep pursuing it. And I'm trying my best to still stay in the game. It's like, it's insane. So I'm just trying to find the best way that I could just make it, as well as creative content and shooting videos for YouTube, as well as urban exploring. So I'm trying my best to do whatever I can to do it and keep it going. But if you guys are willing to support me on my journeys, you can support me on the Patreon, and I'll have rewards, I'll have different tiers, so definitely give that a check out. I'm going to do a little revisions to it, but yes, just want to let you guys know that. And as for it, my name is John Yurei. No longer I am Exploring with John. The name has kind of just faded away, and I just wanted to branch out and be my own self. So my name is John Yurei. I'm not saying I'm like officially apart from the exploring crew. We're all still friends, we're all still chill. And we're still, even if we're all together, we're going to be considered the exploring crew, because that's just generally how we are. So that's it, guys. My name's John, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out any of the other videos I got coming up next. We have a lot more coming our way, as well as have different stuff. So I went on a whole road trip with Seth and Steve, and we did a lot of crazy stuff. So get ready for all of it. But yes, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in to this video.